All right, so how I got started with all of this, why I do this now. Graduated high school, I only weighed 130, wanted to go to school, play college football. So took the year off, everyone came back from college, was at a party, one of my buddies gained a ton of weight. It wasn't the freshman 15 anymore, now it's like the freshman 60. So he's like, Tyler, can you help me lose weight? I want to do this, can you help me? And I'm like, sure, whatever, man, because all I cared about was working on myself and everything. I'm like, you're just going to slow me down. But ended up helping him out. And just within the first month, dropped 20 pounds. I don't know what the hell I was doing. I was 18 years old. I'm like, sure, let's do this, eat this, yada, yada. And just seeing him completely change as a person due to weight loss. The confidence he had, wanting to fit into a new pair of jeans, was excited for summer. That's what got me started with all of this. Because of him, I knew I wanted to have my own gym because all the trainers out there, you make like $12 to $30 an hour, and that's ridiculous. Well, the client's paying $80. So I knew I had to have my own gym, and I was going to school, so I was like, awesome. Now I know what I want to go to school for because all I cared about was girls and football. Was it. So now I knew exactly what I wanted to go to school for exercise science, all of that. And then ended up coming back to Arizona, and I knew I'd have to have my own gym. Mom and dad weren't going to front it for me, and I got mom and dad's money. First off, my mom's a teacher, so for all you teachers out there, you know what I mean by that. So had to come up with it on my own. Ended up working for a Fortune 500 company, crushed it in sales, and within 8 months, I was able to have the money to open up the gym. And that's how Fullerton Fitness got started. When I opened up my own gym at 21, and it was amazing. It was great. I learned a ton, changed business models, but I found out, look, my clientele was everyday moms and dads. No one was doing bodybuilding stuff. I wasn't in that scene at all. I just wanted to help everyday moms and dads, and that's what Fullerton Fitness Training was all about. Small group training and everything. So I found out very quickly it had nothing to do with the workouts. Working out had nothing to do with weight loss. It's what people were eating and what they were not eating. And that is the biggest thing. People do not take in the right amount of calories. People are under eating. And I'm telling people like, Tyler, I'm kicking my butt in the gym. What is going on? Why am I not getting results? I'm like, let's look at this nutrition. Let's see what's going on. They're like, Tyler, I don't have time to eat. I don't have time to get in all these meals and hit these calories and stuff. I'm a busy working mom and busy working dad. I got kids. I'm super busy. And that's the biggest thing that I see the most within this industry, as in trainers, nutritionists, dietitians, and doctors. They blame the client on saying, you're just lazy and you don't want this. No, that's not the situation. You want to lose weight. You want to get healthy. It's not like you're lying about what you're doing. You just physically don't have time. You're stressed out, cortisol levels. You have kids and you got work, activities. Shoot, you got to take care of your spouse half the time. So that's one thing that really kills me with the industry is I get it. You guys don't have time to get in a quick, easy meal. And my clients are, I'm in Arizona, so we got 3 network marketing companies here in Arizona. And they're like, well, this work is a meal replacement. What's a good meal replacement? And that's when Fullerton Nutrition got started, is when I created True Meal, the meal replacement protein shake, because it's actually enough calories to be a meal. 400 calories, 0 sugar, gram of carbs, 13 grams of MCT oil, 50 grams of high quality isolate whey protein, casein protein, multivitamin, digestive enzymes, and one that actually tastes phenomenal. Put it in coffee, it tastes better than a white girl milk or freaking frappuccino. But that's how Fullerton Nutrition got started, because clients didn't have enough time to get in a quick, easy meal. And all the meal replacements out there, people are doing protein shakes like the ready-made ones at grocery stores that don't have enough calories to be a meal, and under eating is the biggest reason why people aren't getting results. Every single person I've helped lose weight, increase their calories 500 to 1,000 more than what they were doing. When you're under eating, you're gonna lack nutrients for the body, your metabolism is gonna slow down, and your hormones are gonna go out the window. And a lot of times, majority of the time, people are lacking a lot of protein. So quick, easy, 50 grams of high quality protein, it's amazing. So the thing is too with those protein shakes, people have a bad rep on whey protein. When you get a protein shake, you want to go down to other ingredients. If you see the word concentrated whey, that's what's making you feel bloated and gassy and putting a bad rep on whey. You want an ultra filtered, high quality isolate whey protein or a hydrolyzed whey protein. So that's what's going to break it down with those protein shakes. So if you guys are looking at protein labels, just go to other ingredients and it's going to tell you if it's a concentrated whey. If you see just milk protein, or if you say ultra filtered milk protein, like one of the ones with a cow on the label, it's not really an isolate or hydrolyzed. They don't even say what type of protein it is. So that's how I got started in all of this. That is how Fullerton Nutrition came about. And I sold the gym because I knew I could help more people around the world with Fullerton Nutrition than I could with just the gym, because people made up the excuse, you're too far away, when they were 3 miles away from the gym. So that's how everything got started. Basically, because of my one best friend. It's crazy.